Hi, I'm Thilanka Munasinghe and my colleague is HR Pasindu. Our paper is Sensing and Mapping for Better Roads. Initial plan for using federated learning and implementing a digital twin to identify the road conditions in a developing country, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a developing country with a land area of 65,610 square kilometers and a population of 21.2 million people. As of year 2020, Sri Lanka's GDP is 81.3 billion US dollars. Sri Lanka has one of the highest road densities in the region, with 1.74 kilometers per square kilometer. National road network length is approximately 12,500 kilometers in length. However, the majority of the road network is part of the provisional and local roads, which are around 18,900 kilometers and 88,200 kilometers, respectively. According to the Road Development Authority of Sri Lanka, the annual maintenance need for the national road is around 80 million US dollars per year. Under a limited and suboptimal budget, some of the key challenges faced by the road agencies are ensure the national roads and sidewalks are maintained at the required conditions, forecast budget requirements for the different maintenance strategies. Significant amount of money and resources are used every year to maintain bad road conditions due to potholes and road unevenness in Sri Lanka. We propose how a developing country like Sri Lanka can benefit from the latest machine learning techniques such as federated learning to come up with a solution for this problem. Secondly, we propose the idea of implementing a digital twin for the national road system in Sri Lanka. Our proposed work discuss how the government and private sector vehicles that can be used to conduct routine trips to collect crowdsourced data using smartphone devices to identify the locations of bad road conditions. By crowdsourcing to collect the needed data, government can save significant amount of money. The saved money can be used for other development work which are vital for developing countries. An additional benefit of crowdsourcing is that it is possible to obtain rich data sets that are frequently get updated. During this study, we intend to use mobile phone GPS locations and accelerometer data to identify where potholes and extreme road uneven locations. These mobile phones are mounted on vehicles that make routine trips. When we use mobile phones to collect data, it is important to use techniques that help preserve the user's privacy. Therefore, we propose using a privacy-preserving federated learning system to use in this study. We intend to train our global model in the server and deploy the trained global model to those edge devices. Later, we plan to optimize the model as we collect more data from many roads in Sri Lanka. Additionally, we intend to use data obtained by both dedicated and non-dedicated sensing systems to use in the proposed digital twin for the road system in Sri Lanka. When it comes to regularly monitor the conditions of an infrastructure such as roads, it is extremely useful for engineers and road constructional personnel to have a digital twin to monitor and conduct the critical maintenance. A digital twin allows us to make intelligent maintenance decisions and helps monitor the infrastructure performance under various service conditions and generate simulations by mimicking the real world scenarios. As of writing this paper, and best to our knowledge, there is no digital twin system implemented for roads and other infrastructure systems in Sri Lanka. The proposed digital twin will be one of the first implementation of such systems in Sri Lanka. This proposed work matches the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 9, In general, developing countries such as Sri Lanka are far behind in implementing smart road systems and smart cities compared to the developed countries. This work will pave the path to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. Thank you.